Hi, my name is Daniel Greninger, and I'm a peer navigator here at Career Services. Here are 3 resume do's that can help you create your best resume. One thing to remember is that every experience counts, whether it is volunteer work, leadership in a club or organization, an unpaid internship, or a paid position. You will describe each of these experiences using bullet points that articulate the tasks and accomplishments most relevant to what you are applying for. A good rule to follow is the action verb, statement, and result format. For example, a bullet point for a customer service position could be assisted customers by providing information on products, answering questions, and resolving complaints to ensure satisfaction with their visit. Lastly, consistency is key. When your structure, font type and size, and use of bolding, italicizing, underlining, and capitalizing are consistent, the reader's eyes can easily scan the document for the most important information. This goes for your grammar too. Make sure that past experiences use past tense verbs and that current experiences use present tense verbs. If you ever want help with your resume or have any career-related questions, don't be shy. Stop into the Compass Resource Center. We're located in the Murano Campus Center and have drop-in hours from 12 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Monday through Friday when classes are in session.